All my friend, welcome to my channel. This is split unit AC indoor unit. This AC is showing an EC error. I am repairing a split unit AC in this video. Please watch video until end. I switch off the power supply for safety. I already check outdoor unit. The compressor is not start. Now I am going to open and check wiring and capacitor. For open cover, we need to open screw, same like video. I check wiring and capacitor. I found capacitor is faulty. I already changed the capacitor. I removed the old capacitor and install the new capacitor with correct wiring. This is the new capacitor. This is the old capacitor. I already changed new capacitor and wire is connected properly. Now I am going to close the cover and tight the screw. This AC was showing AC error and did not start compressor. Compressor trying to start but immediately tripping. I am going to solve this problem. Please watch video until end. Now I am going to turn on the switch and test the AC. You can see the display. The error is gone. After 5 minutes, I check outdoor unit. Now compressor is start. You can check the copper pipe. This copper pipe is cooling. The problem was faulty capacitor. I replace and solve the problem. This is the old capacitor. This video help you. Like, comment and subscribe please.